In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to change color theme on Google Chrome here in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, you need to open your Google Chrome. The moment you've opened it, please create a new tab, click on this plus icon, and the moment you do that, wait until that new tab would be ready for you, or wait until you'd be set before we continue to the steps. Once ready, here you need to navigate to the bottom right of the screen. You can see there customize Chrome. Click on it. And the moment you click on it, it will open you a right window or a right pane where here you would be able to see a list of the options. So in order to change the color theme, all you need to do is you need to navigate to this device colors. Okay, this colors. And if you would like to set this one, which is the default color, you can set that. And in that way, you would be able to change the color theme here in your Windows 11. And if you would like to go with this color orange, you can select that. And in that way, you would be able to change the color theme. And if you would want to go with dark mode as well, you can set in dark mode and that way, okay, you would be able to see the color clearly. So if you would like to go with this violet or purple, you can select that as well. You can also go with this green if you would love to, and in that way you would be able to change the color theme. Okay? So if you would like to customize the color that you would want to set as the theme here in your Chrome, you would be able to see a color picker here. Just select the color that you would love to go with, either this one, and eventually it would be changed. Okay, in this way, you would be able to change the color theme here in your Windows 11 here in your Google Chrome. Okay, in my case, I would love to go with this green one. Once you've set, you can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.